I am too. What would you about to comment on that video? Okay, I know you're trying to figure out like what are we doing right now? Where are we at? So right now we're in my apartment storage. This is place where I have certain like my tables and chairs. And right now we're getting these bad boys ready. So that's what I'll be doing. So I'll be see you when I get right back.
Yeah, Juke Records. I told you, it's another one like DJ Khaled, nigga. Let's unravel some shit. Yeah. Hey, MOB, money or business, nigga. Cash, money, yeah. Cash, money, cash, money, yeah. Cash, money. I really been thumbing a lot. 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 Cash, money, yeah. Cash, money, yeah. Cash, money, yeah. Cash, money. I really been thumbing a lot. 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 20s, 50s, hundreds. Fucking I'm cashing. A nigga talking all that bullshit. I'm here to hit the game with the passion. No laughing. This is it, Mike Jackson. Why niggas talking all that bullshit? I been crafting. No lacking. Roll a blunt, can't pass it. Nigga know I do a beat real tragic. And straight madness. Spit fire, straight dragon. And niggas try to steal the sauce, they can't have it. I know these niggas probably mad that I'm snapping. Everybody claiming that they ballin', I'm the captain. I work hard to my pockets like Lizzo. Juice good as hell, good tippo. Brother needs some help, mama needs some food. Pay the fucking rent, kids need some shoes. I can never stop, I ain't tryna lose. Crazy, I ain't sad when I got the blues. Run it up, 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 run it up. Cash, money, yeah. Cash,